family we know has a boy who's just under 2 years old. His name is or they like to call him Rocky for short. And he's in a coma with no brain activity. That family and that boy is 10 days older than our second son. And they have another son who's a few weeks older or younger than our youngest. And it's painful to think about something like this happening to people, to anyone in any situation, because of course it makes us think about how would this be if it was us in the same situation, and how would we feel, how would we react, how would we respond, how would the community respond to us. And thankfully the community's been amazing and has done so much to help. There's a lot of fear, there's a lot of hope, but there's a lot of pain. And in Judaism, the concept of life and rebirth and where souls go and how souls interact with the physicality of our existence. I'm going to do a live tonight and talk about all of that in detail in his honor. Not because he's gone, but to help give the energy to bring him back to us, because he's not gone. And he doesn't have to be gone. Every little bit helps. Open up a connection to another or directly to God, and you'll be helping too.